guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be super fun and very useful. Hopefully I have a huge chicken curry haul for you guys. So a lot of us don't have local markets where chicken curry is available, chicken curry kurtas or saris are available. So I thought I'll do some online search and find some options. So I have a lot of things to show you guys today, and let me know in the comments below if this video was useful and if you enjoyed this video, so that I can do more such videos, and also give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Do tell me in the comments. So let's begin. So in this video I have some proper chicken curries and some are machine work, because I was not able to find a lot of options in the actual real chicken curry work, but I do have some. So all of these are from Amazon, so all the links will be in the description box. Some of them I've already tried on, some of them I'm just opening it as I show you guys, because they just arrived yesterday and today. So this is our first pick. So this is a beautiful chicken curry sari in black color, and there were a couple of options in different colors. So I think I have only one chicken curry sari, and that's in like pink, and I thought this black looked really beautiful. They do have other colors as well, but I did get this to get a dress stitched out of it, and the usual Amazon delivery. It got delivered in about, I think, 3 to 4 days, and the quality is really good, as you can see. So this is the back side of it. It's just this chicken curry work all throughout, and it's quite a nice fabric. It's not the purest of like georgette or anything, but it's very good fabric, so you will not have any issues in terms of quality. That's one of the things that I mainly wanted to show you guys. So it's a proper sari. So this is the blouse. The blouse is plain, and this is where the hands are probably. So yeah, so the blouse is pretty much plain, and for hands they've given this. They might be the back part and the front part, because it seems a little too long for hands. Or is it hands? I'm not very sure. This is the fabric when you see it without the chicken curry work, and here is where the sari ends. A beautiful sari. I'll try to drape it a little bit and show, so that you can have an idea. But I think it looks beautiful. You can wear it with like a white crop top or a blouse, or even with a black blouse. I think it will look so beautiful. I will put the price here. Amazon always has good sales. Every month there is something or the other. So if you get it during a sale, obviously you get a better price. So I will put all the prices here so that there is no confusion. So yeah, that was my first pick. So next we have a kurta set. So this fabric is a little similar to what I already have. So this is a machine work kurta. So the one that I showed earlier is like proper chicken curry work, and this one is machine work. You can tell the difference by looking at the fabric and the back side of it. So here you can see that there are no knots, everything is like clean finish. So that's when it's machine work. At the back, if you see threads hanging and knots, that means it's handwork, obviously. So this is the kurta. So this is the chicken curry fabric, which has like self work. It's all in off-white, and this is machine work, but it looks very beautiful and has chips stitched all over the dress. So this is the top part of it, and then it has cullies with self work. I don't think it's showing properly on the camera. And in the border it looks like this, and at the bottom also it has this cut work, and it has sequins throughout. See here in the border it has like really nice design throughout. You can see sequin. I'm trying to shake it so that you can see. And here also it has sequin work all over the top. And this one, as I mentioned, is a kurta set. It came with bottoms. So these are the bottoms, and surprisingly the size is actually pretty good. When it says XL, it actually looks like XL. So what the pants look like, it's sort of straight fit but little flared, but not palazzos exactly. And again it has sequin all over. It doesn't have lining, but it's not that transparent also. And here you can see that it has elastic, and it would fit up to like 3XL also. So it's pretty good. And this one also came with a jacket. So it's a 3-piece set. Came with this jacket. The jackets were available in different colors. There was a yellow, pink. Since I do have a couple of other colors, I thought I'll order blue. I expected it to be a little more light, like it's showing up like pastel blue on the camera. So basically I'm using natural sunlight and the light is shifting, yeah, it is sort of this blue. It's between a darker shade of sky blue and baby blue. So as I said, basically you'll see a kurta, pant and this jacket. So the jacket also has really good work. It doesn't have sequin, but it has thread work all over, and this is what the back looks like. Looks very beautiful. Very versatile piece. You can wear the jacket on anything else also, and also you can wear the bottom separately or the kurta separately. So you can wear the kurta as a dress because it has a flare and doesn't have like side cuts. So it's a very versatile set. You can wear it in so many different ways and style it with accessories. And because it's the festive season, it's perfect for any of the upcoming festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi or even during Navratri. If you're looking for something like this, you can wear this set with like a colorful dupatta for Navratri or like a heavy dupatta for any other festival also. A very versatile set. I would definitely highly recommend this, and I think the pricing is also like pretty okay considering that it is a set. Moving on to another kurta. This is also a machine work kurta, and this one's a little tight on me, but if you get your size, I think this is also a very nice one. So this is an off-white kurta, and this is also a machine work kurta, but nevertheless so beautiful. It is off-white with a thread work or chikankari work. So it has really beautiful thread work or like chikankari work in the chips in every leaf or every detailing here, and then there's floral print on the fabric itself. So it looks so beautiful. See that there's this floral print, and even at the bottom at the flare also it is all floral print. So when you wear it, it's like the off-white chikankari work, the sequin and the floral print. There's a lot of detailing. It looks so beautiful. Again, this also is the kalis style, so it has kalis from the waist. So it's a little transparent. You might need a slip, not super transparent, but yeah, a little bit. And overall a very beautiful kurta. So this is also a very pretty one. So if you're someone who wears up to 2XL, I think this might fit. For me, I usually like to go 1 or 2 sizes up, especially if I want to have that free-flowing look. So I felt this was a little tight on me, but overall very, very beautiful. Just look at this. It's so pretty, you guys. And because I was doing this chikankari video, I thought I'll cover a lot of different options. So I wanted to also show you guys some dupattas. So this is the kota dupatta with chikankari work. Again, a very beautiful one. So this is an off-white kota dupatta. Looks so delicate and beautiful. It has this work all over, and even at the border it has some beautiful work. So looks very, very elegant when worn. Let me just put it on this and show you guys. Looks so elegant, right? And looks really, really beautiful. Super classy. So you can pair it up with something that you already have, or if you want to make this a set also, it looks so beautiful. So because of the self work, it looks very, very classy and elegant. So this is what it looks like. So it looks very classy and elegant, whether you're wearing it for like office or college for everyday use or for some festive season. It looks so beautiful. Very lightweight, but also because of the detailing that it has, all this thread work, it looks so, so gorgeous. One more dupatta that I want to show you guys before I move on to a kurta set. So this one is a mint blue green kind of a shade, and even this one is a kota dupatta, and this one also has like all this beautiful thread work all over, and it has work in off-white, and then inside it has green color thread detailing. So you can see that it gives that effect also. You can see a lot of work going on, and it has this lace detailing for the borders on all 4 sides. Again, a very beautiful one. It would look very beautiful when worn with any dress. You can see the heavy work going on over here. So you can wear it with like an off-white kurta, and this gets highlighted. But overall you can see it looks very beautiful. Even at the borders, the lace detailing looks so pretty. very elegant and classy. So lastly, I have another kurta set. This is also machine work, but sort of very pretty one. So this is, I think again I got like 2XL or 3XL. So this one is onion pink and it looks so beautiful. It has this machine work embroidery all throughout. This is that machine ka kaam, it's not haath ka kaam. But look at this detailing at the end also. It has this scallop detailing and looks so pretty. The color itself is so beautiful, and it has chips within the thread work, so it looks very beautiful. And it has this work all over. I think it's perfect for like everyday college use or office use or even festivals. So like for Ganesh Chaturthi or one of the days during Navratri, you could totally wear this and it would look so pretty. So it has really soft lining also, very nicely stitched. These are the pants that it comes with. So it has elastic at the waist and very soft fabric even for the pants, and at the end it has this lace detailing. These small details make such a difference, right? So it looks very beautiful, perfect for your festive season. You can pair it up with a nice dupatta and it would look so pretty. This is just a kurta and a pants set. That was the last one for this haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this gave you guys a lot of options in chikankari kurtas and chikankari dupattas and a sari. I also found some other chikankari kurtas at really good sizes. They have up to like 10XL. I'll leave those links also in the description box. Just when I added them to my cart to place the order, it kept saying out of stock. Now again the back in stock. So but I wanted to put this out because I've already placed these orders and they're already come. So I wanted to show you guys these in this video. Probably I'll show you guys those in the next video. If you guys are interested in watching more of these chikankari videos, do let me know in the comments below if this was helpful and if you would like to see more such videos. All the details and the links for everything that I've shown will be in the description box, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel as well. I have new videos coming up every week on both my channels, and also find me on Instagram for some quick info and styling reels and mini hauls as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.